Well, hello, Miss Heidi. How cute you are. I'm just not able to close the bag. The magnet doesn't work entirely, so that's the only minus of this bag. Hi, my name is Lucy and I want to welcome you to our channel psychoDOLLogist, where we do and talk all things dolls.
Want subtitles? Get auto subs and translations by clicking on the CC button in your player.
If you're a new doll around here, then welcome. And if you're, I don't want to say old doll, but anyway, if this is not your first time here, then welcome back, bestie. We have a lot to do today, so I better start blabbing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at, I think, 12 Barbie Looks dolls that I have redressed into AliExpress fashion, and we're gonna review that. We're gonna have a look at the quality of the clothes and if we like it or we don't. And we're also going to unpack this little thing, Barbie Pets Series 11. So we have a lot to do. Let's get into it.
Want to know why Lucy is wearing these panda ears? Well, make sure to come back for our next video to see some panda doll fun.
Okay friends, let's have a look at the redressed looks dolls. They're wearing fashion from AliExpress and bags from the Minibrands. I've been a doll collector for over 3 decades now, so over the years I did buy some clothes from AliExpress, and I can say that the quality is always kind of quite similar. So what we're gonna review today, I feel like, is quite representative of the clothes you usually get from there. We're gonna start with gorgeous Simone. So I'm actually very happy with this outfit. It's Burberry inspired. However, I did just notice this loose thread in there. I hope I'm not the one who caused it because I didn't see it before. Anyway, the fabric's quite pleasant, but you might have to iron it. I actually used a hair straightener to do that. Then as for the bag, I'm gonna be honest, it's not my favorite Minibrands bag because the design is not entirely my taste, 1, and 2, you cannot comfortably close it. The skirt is great, no complaints there. Now Lina looks so dramatic and cool over here. In this pose. Look at that face, she's incredible. Okay, so this dress, nothing quite wrong with the pants, although the fabric I feel like could get messy in time. About the fur coat, I actually expected it to be less problematic. It is very problematic, so pieces of the fur fall out. I also feel like in the factory they kind of tried to prevent that and seal it with a lighter, and you know, that created some stains and some irregularities. So yeah, while the coat looks amazing, the quality is not great. Then this bag is just wonderful. Obviously it's Louis Vuitton inspired, and I think they did such a great job with this bag. Hey bestie, if you're enjoying this video, would you mind giving it a like? It really helps us to reach more doll collectors and doll fans like you. Thank you so much for your support. Hello, Miss Tamika. Okay, this outfit's great. There is not a single issue with it. It's really good quality, very cute. It's also quite stretchy, so it can fit different types of doll bodies. And okay, this bag is my favorite Minibrands bag. I don't know, there's just something about the hot pink, and I also love how the silver studs fit her original shoes and also the polka dot style of the shorts. So cute. Hello, Andra. Now her top is her original, and then it's the coat and the pants that are from AliExpress. Again, in theory, I love it. In practice, not so much, because I guess it's the type of fabric. Sometimes these like pieces of wool, or however to call it, they kind of come out of the fabric. And this bag is great. What a cute color, what an interesting design. Here you can see what I mean about the threads coming out, and also as you can see, maybe these pants were a little bit tight for the normal Barbie body type. Can I propose something? So how about we call our subscribers psychodolls? The channel's name is psychoDOLLogist. So how about psychodolls? Or is that weird? Or is that cool? What do you think? Well, let me know in the comments because I want your opinion as a subscriber. And now let's take a little break and unpack the Barbie Pets Season 11. I only have one item from this series so far, and that is this pink fox with a cute blue backpack. I cannot see all of the items here, but I would love to get the dog. And I could kind of feel that the thing inside is sort of flat and he seems like he could be a bit flat, so I'm hoping that's what we're gonna get. What is it? What is it? Okay, here are all the pets. Wow. Okay, but how cute is it? It's not fluffy and plushy like the fox was. It's kind of glittery. It has a little paw on its butt. Oh, and it has a necklace, a golden necklace. Oh, but this is fluffy and plushy. That is so cute. Okay, well, I'm in love and maybe I like it even more than the dog. Obviously, I don't know how much I would love the dog if I got it, but I'm super happy with you. Yay! And here they are together, one cuter than the other. Wait, there's a pug and a shiny colored owl and a llama? I mean, we need the pug, you guys. We need the pug. So I probably would not walk to the streets like this, but a YouTube video where actually more people are gonna see me look like this, why not? I think that's actually an interesting insight to my character because I don't particularly care about what people think of me. I'm a pretty successful psychologist with my private practice, and yet here I go and me and my husband started this YouTube channel about dolls. And you know, clients can see me, clients can have an interesting opinion on what they're seeing, and I actually don't particularly care. I am who I am, and that's what it is. Well, hello, Miss Heidi. How cute you are. Okay, I have not a single issue with this outfit. Everything is just perfect. Do you see the seams, how precise they are? There's nothing funky going on. The fabric's good quality. Well, and then this bag design is amazing. I love it. It's so cute and kind of Japanese-like. But then this, I'm just not able to close the bag. The magnet doesn't work entirely, so that's the only minus of this bag. Hi, Miss Kid. What a cute doll, but she's standing a bit funny, or is it just me? Anyway, this outfit's great. Look at that. There's nothing wrong with the top. Regarding the skirt, you can see there's a bit of the fabric coming out of the waist. And yeah, this bag's great. It's green. Not everyone's into green, but I like it. And yeah, that hair, oh boy. Maybe you've noticed that all of my Looks dolls kind of need their hair washed because, yeah, I'm usually not a fan of the original hairstyle because it's full of mousse or gel or whatever, and it's kind of stiff. We're also going to open two extra dolls, 19 and 18. I love them so much. I had 18 for a few months now. I think I got it for Christmas, and 19 I ordered like 2 months ago. So I've had them for quite a while, but I was saving them so that we can pack them together. Now this is Elle in her stunning yellow fur coat. So I was super excited about ordering this one, but unfortunately it did disappoint me when I examined it. So it's the same problem as with Lina's coat. Basically, the edges of this, they get loose, it loses hair, you know, it gets messy. So I had to kind of play with these coats for like, I don't know, 15 minutes each before I felt they were decent enough. So again, in practice it looks great, but in theory, you know, these pieces are not very high quality. And then this bag is definitely one of the best Minibrands bags, I believe. Hello, Victoria, our last model for today. So this dress looks beautiful from far. Then you get closer and I guess you can see what I see. That is not the best quality. The fabric was simply cut there and that's it. The sleeves are cute, but the fabric isn't great. So again, the edges get messy. You can lose threads easily. And this bag, I don't know. Like, in theory, such a beautiful bag. Look at the charms, adorable. But I really don't know how the dolls are supposed to hold this bag. I don't know, I kind of feel like the bag looks better when it's just put on a shelf, on display, but when the dolls actually wear it, I don't think it's awesome.
So dolls, overall thoughts on AliExpress clothes? They're inexpensive and a great option for people who aren't concerned about perfection. For us perfectionists, you're going to like half of the clothes you order, and about the other half you'll spend time fixing. Extra tip, double check your packages. We've had only partial orders delivered in the past. And we absolutely love Minibrands fashions. For what they cost, they're worth it despite a few shortcomings. The purses are dazzling.
But you know what? Now that I think about it, maybe I'm being a great role model. You know, I think that's a good thing when you're not bound by fear and you give space to things you love and you just do what you want to do. Obviously, you don't want to hurt other people in the process, but there's nothing wrong doing what you love and having a bit of fun, right? And now we want to know your opinions. So which girls are your favorite? What clothes is your favorite? Do you personally have experience with clothes or bags or shoes from AliExpress? What do you think about the quality? And if you have any tips for us regarding specific shops on Ali, you know, drop it in the comments, let us know. We're gonna have a look at it. I think my favorite outfit in terms of quality is Heidi's. There was really nothing wrong with it. Plus the shirt goes so well with her eyeshadow. And then my least favorite in terms of quality is Victoria's because, yeah, that blueberry, that's rough. Alright dolls, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll subscribe. And if you have some cool ideas about what you'd like to see next on this channel, let us know in the comments your video tips. And I do believe, in fact, that you would really like to watch this video next. So I'll see you there.